Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can add music from files or from your library to CapCut. So here I've already opened a CapCut, and to add the music you can just start by clicking on the audio menu at the bottom, then click on the sounds option, and here click on the folder icon to find the music in your file. So just click on the from device, and these are the list of uh, music or audio from my files, and you can just choose which one that you want to add to CapCut. And after that, just click on the plus icon in the file, click on that. Just like that, the music will be imported to your CapCut. And to add it, you can just click on the audio. For example, I want to split like this and delete the part that I don't use. Then you can just drag the music to adjust it with your edits. Okay, so that's a simple tutorial from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. Bye.